In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API key from HubSpot in a super easy way. Whether you're a developer wanting to integrate HubSpot's API into your application, or just exploring the functionalities HubSpot offers, obtaining an API key is a necessary step. Let's jump right in to guide you through this simple process. To start, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Open up your browser and enter hubspot.com in the address bar. Once you're on HubSpot's homepage, look towards the top right corner and you'll notice the login option. Click on this to proceed. After you've clicked login, go ahead and enter your account credentials to access your HubSpot dashboard. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account first, which is straightforward and leads you directly to the HubSpot home once done. With your dashboard open, the next step is to navigate over to the Profile and Preferences area. This is where you will find the settings for integrations. Look for a gear icon, usually situated towards the top or sidebar of your dashboard. Click it to explore further. Once in the settings area, find and click on Integrations. This tab will show you various integration options available, allowing for smoother processes between tools and applications. Next, you'll see an option labeled Private Apps. Click on that. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage API access through security tokens. Here, you should see a button that says Create a Private App. Click on this to begin the creation process of your API access. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information about this new app, such as its name, to help you identify it later. Following that, you need to define the permissions or scopes that the app will have. Click on Scopes, and then you'll see an option to add new scope. Choose the specific permissions your application will require to limit or grant access as necessary. After you've carefully selected the appropriate scopes, don't forget to click Update to save these settings. Then go ahead and click Create App to finalize this part. A window will pop up asking you to continue creating. This is a checkpoint to make sure everything is correct before proceeding further. If all looks good, click Continue Creating. Now you will be presented with the API key generated for your private app. To use this, you'll need to first show token, which allows you to view the API key value. Be sure to copy it and store it safely, as you'll need it for configuration and integration purposes. In a matter of minutes, you have an API key ready to be used with HubSpot's API. And that's it. You now know how to get an API key from HubSpot quickly and efficiently. Remember to keep your API key secure and never share it publicly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.